My name is Dr. Olawoye, and I'm a board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Patients who are missing all their teeth, have badly broken down teeth, decayed teeth, or compromised teeth due to gum disease now have a solution to restore all their teeth with several implants. I recently ran into a patient of mine. Prior to her procedure, she had become increasingly depressed as she had had several decayed teeth that were unable to be restored. Together with her restorative dentist, we came up with a solution to restore her teeth with dental implants. She's now a very jolly person, introducing me to her mother-in-law and giving me a big hug. It is stories like these that make what I do so gratifying. If you or a loved one can benefit from dental implants, please call our office or text us at 908-751-7117 or visit our website, hunterdonoralsurgery.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon.